Hi, this is Kevin and welcome back to Zarnista Studios. Today we're going to look at something very different. This is a prop replica as created by my friend Joseph Johnson, a super talented artist. Joe is the creator of Hollywood Diecast and you can find him on Facebook. Definitely check him out. We all remember that opening scene in the 1971 movie Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, where Charlie finally gets the golden ticket. It was magic. We all wanted one. Well, my friend Joseph actually found the original in a display and replicated it brilliantly. Here is the original from the movie. And here is the replica in Joseph's collection. It looks fantastic, especially with the gobstopper and the chocolate bar. I really wish you could see how great this is. The foil is just perfect. The pictures do not do justice to how great this looks. Thank you, Joseph, for this wonderful replica. It is my first prop replica and I'm sure it won't be my last thanks to you. I am humbled by how generous you were with this. It's a wonderful gift. Thank you. So thank you for stopping by and happy collecting. We'll see you soon.